Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off the warning for the oil change in a Ford F150. The model year of this truck is the 2016. So as you can see in my cluster, I have the reminder that it says the oil change is required. So the first thing that I'm going to do, and basically what we're going to be doing, is using the buttons here at the left of the steering wheel. So just to temporarily turn off that warning, I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And then the next thing is going to be, I'm going to scroll down one time, and then I have now in the screen the percentage of the oil life, which in this case is 0%, and there is a message at the bottom that it says hold OK to reset oil life, which is what we're gonna do. So now in my steering wheel I'm gonna hold OK, and that will reset the reminder. And now that we have 100% of oil life, and that's it. Thanks for watching the video.